Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you wanted to pick up anything I use in this video. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. I wanted to show you a comparison between lawnmower blades. You want to get yourself a 14mm socket. This is the star pattern blade. It doesn't matter if you have the star pattern or you have the one with the 2 holes in it. It's going to work the same either way. This is a 22-inch blade for Poulon, Husqvarna, and Craftsman or Arians. This part of it where the label is, where it curves up, that's going to go towards the top of the lawnmower. So always make sure you get that right. I just wanted to show you what the difference is and how it cuts the grass. See if it cuts a little bit better. This is the blade right here that cuts. You want to make sure you have your washer and your lock washer ready to cut some grass. It does have an increased sound. It's almost like a whirring. I can't explain it, but I'll let you listen to it. Okay, so we're done using this mulching blade. Wanted to show you how it performed. This is what it looks like after I used it. This is the max power 22-inch blade. And this doesn't say it's a mulching blade or anything, but it got a ton of good reviews. It's a little bit swept up in the back here on the sides of the blades, as you can see. It has the cutting edge here, and the back of it's swept up slightly in the back. So we're gonna get this installed and see if this performs any better. Let's just pop that off. Good to go. There goes nothing. So thanks so much for watching again. I hope this video helped you out. If you wanted to pick up the blades that I used in the video, all you got to do is use the links down in the description. And if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you got any questions or comments down in the section down below. I get back to everybody. Thanks again. Take care.